Okay, this is the Game is On 100 here with a quick video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Detroit Lions losing to the New Orleans Saints. Let's get started. The Detroit Lions lost to the Detroit Lions 45-28. The Detroit Lions try to match point for point with the New Orleans Saints. I knew a fact that New Orleans was going to beat the Detroit Lions. I knew that they were going to win. Even though they had a 14-7 lead, I knew that the New Orleans Saints was going to kick the shit out of the Detroit Lions. The New Orleans Saints didn't even punt the damn ball tonight. And the only two times that they would have scored two more times if they didn't if they didn't fumble the ball. They would have scored two more times against the Detroit Lions. It could have been a major blowout. But Detroit, well, you guys cost you tried to match up with the New Orleans Saints, and guess what? You guys lost. Because New Orleans has got a high-powered offense. I know you guys got a high-powered offense too. But what New Orleans did is they had a high-powered passing and run game. That's what the New Orleans Saints lacked last year in their playoff loss to the Seattle Seahawks by not having a run game. But they ran the ball a lot on you. They put up 626 total yards on you, Detroit Lions. What can you say about that, Detroit? You gave it a good shot, and you couldn't get the job done. Now they're saying that, oh, you guys are going to be on the rise. Well, I got a news flash for you, Detroit Lions. It's going to be very tough to get back in to the playoffs. It is tough. You have to be a real good team to get in. You have to be real good to get back in. Because you can have a good season for 1 year, and then the next season, it could go downhill for you guys. It happens. So, anyway, this is a shout out to the New Orleans Saints. I am happy you guys won. I am very happy. You knocked off Detroit Lions. And now, all I got to hope is for next week that either the New York Giants or the Atlanta Falcons got to go into Green Bay, and hopefully they can knock out Green Bay too. If they will knock out Green Bay, that will be sweet if they can do that. If they can knock them out. I would like to see the Green Bay Packers get knocked out of the damn playoffs. Well, anyway, that's all I got to say about that. I got one thing to say to the Detroit Lions losing this game. I am out. Later.